In this video, we're going to show you the perfect itinerary for Las Vegas. As we mentioned in our complete guide, for a first trip, 4 or 5 days is enough to see the essentials of the city. That's why we've prepared a super complete 5-day itinerary with the best of Las Vegas, grouping attractions so you can make the most of your time. If you have less time, you can cut the day trip or the downtown day. So let's get started. When is the best time to visit Las Vegas? The most important tip is, avoid the summer from June to September. Temperatures exceed 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's impossible to walk on the street during the day. The best times are spring, from March to May, and fall, from September to November. The weather is perfect, with warm days and pleasant nights. So how will our 5-day itinerary work? The idea is to use Las Vegas as a single base, staying at the same hotel on the Strip. The secret is to walk a lot on the Strip and use Uber or Lyft to go to farther places like Fremont Street. Only rent a car if you're doing the Hoover Dam day trip. We'll divide the days exploring the regions of the Strip, then downtown, and we'll include a day trip and a day to relax by the pool. Now, let's get to the day-by-day plan. Day 1. Arrival and the South Strip. Take the first day to arrive, get from the airport to your hotel, which is super close. An Uber or Lyft ride costs about $20. After checking in, let's explore the South Strip on foot. Start by taking the classic photo at the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign. The sign is at the beginning of the Strip. You can get there by Uber or the Deuce bus. Then, explore the hotels in this area. Go inside the Luxor, which is the Black Pyramid, and the Excalibur, the medieval castle. Walk to New York, New York, which has a roller coaster, the Big Apple coaster, that goes in and out of the hotel. The ticket costs about $25. For dinner, a great option in this area is the MGM Grand. Inside, you'll find many options, from cheap food courts to celebrity chef restaurants. A good buffet option nearby is the one at Excalibur, which is usually one of the cheapest on the Strip. To cap off the night, see a show. We recommend Ka by Cirque du Soleil, which takes place inside the MGM Grand. It's an incredible show with a rotating stage. Tickets start at $130, so buy in advance. Day 2. Center Strip and a show. Today we'll explore the heart of Las Vegas, the Center Strip. Start the day at the Bellagio. Watch the fountains show outside, which starts in the afternoon, and go inside to see the conservatory, the free indoor botanical garden, which is stunning. Afterward, cross the walkway to Caesar's Palace. Walk through the hotel, which is gigantic, and enter the Forum Shops, the luxury mall with a sky-painted ceiling. Don't miss the free show of moving statues near the fountain. For lunch, a good and famous option in front of Caesar's is Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. It's expensive. A main course costs about $80, but it's an experience. To save money, look for the In-N-Out Burger nearby at the Link Promenade. In the afternoon, walk through that area, the Link Promenade, and ride the high roller, the giant observation wheel. The rotation takes 30 minutes and the view is beautiful. It costs about $35. For dinner, we recommend Mon Ami Gabi in the Paris Hotel. Ask for a table on the patio. The price is mid-range, about $50 per dish, and you dine watching the Bellagio Fountains show. It's the best value view in the city. After dinner, see another show. We recommend Absinthe, which takes place in a tent in front of Caesar's Palace. It's an adult-oriented show, mixing circus with comedy. It's hilarious and impressive. Tickets start at $120. Staying in a good area will make your trip much easier. You'll be close to all these tourist spots. As we've said, the ideal is to stay in the Center Strip near the Bellagio and Caesars, or in the South region, near the MGM. Staying in downtown is cheaper, but you'll spend time and money every day getting to the Strip. We created this custom map, which explains exactly which is the best region. Staying in this marked area, you can't go wrong. We'll leave the link to this map here on the QR code on the screen, and in the video description we created it on the hotel site we always use, as it always has the best prices. There, you can put in your travel dates and see all the hotel options within that location. At the lowest prices, we'll also leave links to the hotels where we've stayed. There's one that is very cheap and super well located, and another that's a bit nicer, in the same location, but a little more expensive. They are great options. An important tip to save on lodging is the advanced booking strategy. The earlier you book your hotel, the less you will pay. This is why we love using this website. Besides having the lowest prices, it has free cancellation for almost all hotels. You can book as early as possible to guarantee a much lower price. And if you need to cancel later, it's super easy and costs nothing. And remember that in the link below, we always organize everything you need to plan your entire trip for the best price. The sites we use to plan our trips, and that have everything much cheaper. Travel eSIM, travel insurance at half price, tickets for all attractions, good and cheap hotels we've stayed at, cheap car rentals, and the global account to carry money paying much lower fees. And the links already contain automatic discounts, as we are always updating them. So save and use this page that will make your trip much easier. Day 3. Day trip to Hoover Dam. Today, let's take a break from the city and see an incredible feat of engineering. Rent a car for the day or book a guided tour. The Hoover Dam is only a 40-minute drive from Las Vegas. It's the giant dam that holds back the Colorado River and forms Lake Mead. You can walk along the dam for free, but the paid tour to go down and see the turbines costs about $30 and is worth it. The whole trip takes half a day. Return to Las Vegas in the afternoon, return the car, rest a bit, and at night, take an Uber or the Deuce bus and go to downtown Las Vegas. The old Vegas, go to the Fremont Street experience. Walk down the covered street, see the classic casinos like the Golden Nugget. Every hour on the hour, the lights go out and the giant LED canopy plays a music and light show called Viva Vision. It's free and very cool. If you're brave, you can ride the Slotzilla zipline. For dinner, downtown has cheaper options. You can brave the Heart Attack Grill, the hospital-themed restaurant, or eat at one of the excellent restaurants at the Circa Hotel. Day 4. North Strip and the Sphere. Today, we'll explore the northern part of the Strip. Start the day at the Venetian, stroll along the canals, see the shops at the Grand Canal Shops. You can take the gondola ride, which costs about $40. Then, cross the walkway to the Wynn and Encore. These are the most luxurious hotels in Las Vegas. Go inside to see the indoor gardens, the free light show at the Lake of Dreams, and the impeccable decor. For lunch, if you want the luxury buffet experience, the buffet at Wynn is considered one of the best. It's expensive, about $60 per person, but the variety is absurd. In the afternoon, cross the street and go to the Fashion Show Mall, the best mall on the Strip for normal stores at night. Get ready for the most modern attraction in the city, the Sphere. You need to buy tickets in advance for the show, Postcard from Earth. It's an immersive film experience that will blow your mind. Tickets start at $89, but are usually in the $130 range. An important tip that will save you time and money is to buy tickets for attractions and tours in advance. Buying on the spot is always more expensive, and the most famous tourist spots like the Sphere and the shows sell out very quickly. We'll leave the link on the QR code on the screen and in the description to the site, where we always buy tickets and tours for the best price. It's the largest tour site in the world and has practically everything there. Tickets for the High Roller, for the Sphere, for all the Cirque du Soleil and magic shows, and tours to Hoover Dam, all at the best price, and you can buy in any currency, saving on fees. Day 5. Pool, outlet shopping, and departure. On the last day, enjoy one of the best things about Vegas, the hotel pools. Almost every hotel has an incredible pool complex. Spend the morning relaxing, soaking up the sun, and enjoying the pool party, if your hotel has one. In the afternoon, if your flight is only at night, take an Uber and do some last-minute shopping at the Las Vegas North Premium Outlets. It's the best outlet in the city. Afterward, just head back to the hotel, grab your bags, and go to the airport. Now let's talk about transportation, reinforcing it. For this itinerary, a car is not necessary if you don't go to Hoover Dam. Walking, using Uber and Lyft, and maybe the Deuce bus to go to downtown are the best options. If you do the day trip, rent the car for just one day. About travel insurance. Essential. Don't travel to the US without it. Healthcare there is extremely expensive. Use the comparator in the link in the description to save money. Quick shopping tips. The hotel malls are for luxury. The Fashion Show Mall has normal stores. The North Premium Outlets is the best for discounts. The tax is 8.38% and there is no tax-free. And for those who are new here to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and like the video for more tips. And how much does it cost to eat in Las Vegas? It's expensive. A Big Mac combo costs $12. Water costs $3 to $4. Beer costs $10. A budget meal at a food court is $20. A mid-range restaurant costs $50 to $60 per person. Luxury buffets can exceed $80. And the tip is 18 to 20%. And what to do at night? Cirque du Soleil shows like O or Ka, Magic with David Copperfield, clubs like Omnia and Hakkasan, and of course, walking down Fremont Street in downtown. And if you're traveling with children, as we said, it's not the focus. But the Tournament of Kings show at Excalibur, the Shark Reef Aquarium at Mandalay Bay, and the Adventure Dome Park at Circus are good options for them. And to combine your trip, Las Vegas is the base for the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. And you can also drive to Los Angeles, a 4 to 5 hour trip. If you liked this detailed Las Vegas itinerary, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions in the comments. Thank you very much and have a great trip.